Hello friends, this is Anil Kukreja from Deal Money Research. Welcome to another episode of Commodities Weekly Watch. In this episode of Commodities Weekly Watch, we are going to cover bullions, that is the gold and silver, natural gas from the energy sector, copper and nickel from the base metals pack, whereas USD INR from the currency segment. So let's begin with bullions. Gold on the daily chart has been moving within a downward sloping channel. Prices have breached the 200-day simple moving average and have also breached an upward sloping trend line. If the prices closes below this trend line and the 200-day simple moving average, that would mean some bearish bias for the prices in the coming days. However, the support for the gold would be at around the level of 48,500 and 47,800 levels, whereas the resistance would be at around 50,000 and 51,000 for the coming week. However, if you look at the gold COMEX chart, prices are also moving within a downward sloping channel but are yet to breach the support line and the 200-day simple moving average, which would be a crucial support level for the prices. The support for gold in COMEX would be at around the level of 1820 and 1770 levels, whereas the resistance would be at 1890 level. Breaching of this 200 simple moving average would be a crucial phase for the gold in COMEX, as it has not been breached in the coming 2-3 years. Therefore, we expect gold to trade with a buy or dip strategy till the support of 48,500 is not breached, whereas the target would be at around 50,500 for the coming week. However, if the support of 48,500 is breached, we expect a bearish bias in gold to continue. Moving on to silver. Moving on to the silver chart. Silver prices on the daily chart has been moving within a broad range of 71,450 to 57,500. Prices have recently retraced off the resistance and are currently trading near the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level and are also below the 30 days exponential moving average. Prices of silver in COMEX have a similar pattern. Therefore, we can say that the support for the silver during the current week would be at around 63,200 levels and 58,000 level, whereas the resistance for silver would be at around 66,500 and 67,500 for the coming week. We expect silver to trade with a buy and dip strategy and with a support of 63,200 for the target of around 67,500. However, if the level of 63,200 is breached, we expect the bearish bias to continue in silver as well. Overall, we expect the gold and silver to trade with a buy and dip strategy for the coming week with a strict support of gold and silver to be maintained. Moving on to the energy sector. Natural gas on the daily chart has been moving within a downward sloping channel, with the prices recently retracing from the higher end of the channel. Prices have the support of around 184 and 180, whereas the resistance would be at around 203 levels. We expect natural gas to trade with a sell on rise strategy with a stop loss above the level of 204 and for the target of 184 during the current week. Moving on to the base metal. Looking at the nickel daily chart, prices of nickel are trading within the range of 1337 to 1210 levels. Prices have retraced from the resistance and are trading at the support of the 30 days exponential moving average. If the prices breach this level, that would support the bearishness in the nickel prices. Prices of nickel are also trading with a negative divergence in RSI, that is supportive of the bearish bias in nickel. Looking at the support for nickel, which is at the level of 1260 and 1210 for the coming week, whereas the resistance would be at around the level of 1300 and 1337 levels. We expect nickel to trade within this range of 1210 to 1337 for the current week. However, if the prices breach this level of 1210, that would form a double top formation and which would be bearish for the coming few weeks. Moving on to the copper chart. Copper prices are moving within an upward sloping channel with the prices retracing from the resistance along with a negative divergence in RSI. Prices are currently at the support of 5198 and 591 for the coming week, whereas the resistance would be at around 625 and 630 levels. We expect copper to trade with a sell on rise strategy with a stop loss over the level of 631 and for the target of 598 and 595 for the coming week. Therefore, we expect base metals to trade with a negative bias for the coming week. Moving on to the USD INR chart. USD INR chart has been moving within a descending triangle formation. Prices have maintained the support of 73.10 levels. Prices have sustained this level during the previous week and are expected to continue this support and rise higher. The support for the week would be at around 73.10, whereas the resistance would be at around the level of 74 and 74.20 levels. We expect a buy and dip strategy for USD INR for the current week with a stop loss below the level of 73 and for the target of around 74 and 74.20 for the current week. So that's all from my side. Thank you and have a successful trading week ahead.